Morning. Robert Lane here from Golf Data. So just a little quick explanation of the project, what we are doing and why we're doing it. So just to start, why, obviously everybody knows, I think there's been 20 or almost 20 years of without replacement of the sand here. So that's the big part and the reason. A lot of the grass lines have been edged back over time, and that was exposing the stone faces, and all of those stones were falling back out. So we're just trying to get the bunkers back to what they were originally designed to be, and then to compact the bases again so that we don't have contamination, clean out and check all the drainage to make sure that's draining, and then put in the new sand, and the new sand will drain a lot better than the old sand, which has picked up a lot of fines materials and it's not letting the water get through to the drains. At the same time, we've opened up the faces of all the bunkers so that you can see into them better. Over years of maintenance, they tend to build up a little bit and block the views into the bunker. So we're starting with that. Then we cut back the sod line. We're trying to keep the visual as high as possible so you see as much of the sand from the tees and the fairways. And then we're just stabilizing the bases. We're cleaning it all up, taking all the old sand out, taking it away, compacting it and getting a slightly softer slope so that the sand doesn't wash back into the base of the bunker. And then we create the new edge again. We compact the base with cement, a soil peat that we mixed in, and then we check all the drainage where there's new sand needed. We put that in. We've taken the old bitter material, which can also clog off, and we've put an 80% shade material in, and that'll let it drain a lot quicker. So from here we've got to pretty much the final situation before sand. We need to do one last sweep, get any of these little stones or fine materials off, make sure it's cleaned up perfectly, and then we'll put sand in. We have got one stockpile of sand that we've just brought in. That'll have final approval from Tinas that he's happy with the sand quality, the texture and the color, and then we'll start running sand into all of the bunkers here at 10. So we're doing the last little touches to one of the bunkers, otherwise we're finished, and then it's just about cleaning the bases and putting new sand in, which we hope to be done with by the end of next week.